Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutio Latiboye, also known as Babuinje. So, in today's video, I want to explain how to use a padlock. How to use a padlock. As I explained in my live video today, how to use a padlock to remove yourself from spiritual bandage. Are you with me? Or if you believe that someone has used spiritual power to cage you, you understand? So how to use padlock to remove yourself from any kind of spiritual bandage. Are you with me? So what you need is a new padlock. So you will get a new padlock. And if you want to buy this padlock, please make sure that the padlock is already locked. You understand? Don't buy the one that is open. And this one is too big. You can buy the medium size. Are you with me? Please don't use any padlock that you have been using in your house. You must get a new padlock that is already locked. If you want to buy the padlock and you notice that the lock is open and you cannot ask them to lock it and buy it, buy the one that is already locked. Are you with me? So when you buy the one that is already locked, you take it home with the keys. Are you with me? With the keys. So what are you going to do with this padlock?
ká ṣiṣẹ́ ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta ò rí ìwọ lọ́ba tá à ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀ à ń bẹ̀ ọ́ gbóhùn wá. torí lọ́la kó fàyà kún ọlọ́run ọba ewé ń jẹ́ lọ́la kó fàyà kún ọlọ́run ọba ewé ń jẹ́ ewé á jẹ́ ewé ń jẹ́ àwọn lèmi bá bọ́ sóhun mi lò jáde lọ ewé ń jẹ́ àwọn tá a fi ṣẹ́ mi náà àwọn nìkan náà ń jẹ kó fàyà kún ọlọ́run ọba ewé ń jẹ ẹni mọ̀nà ni mọ̀nà ẹni tí ò lágàn kò lè mọye tán tágàn bó bá dọ̀jà ṣe ti gbọ́ ẹni tí kò mọ ìwúra o bó bá rí wúra asọ́dàdù bẹ́ẹ̀ ewé ń jẹ lẹ́yìn ọlọ́run ọba ohun tó fi ṣe wúlò fáwọn ọmọ ènìyàn.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutio Latiboye, also known as Babuinje. If this is your first time here, everything I do is to share spiritual tips, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You will see a lot of videos there that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, please feel free to call me on 070 37 42 2552. Or you message me on WhatsApp 090 5333 2747. So in today's video, I want to explain how to use a padlock, a new padlock, and the keys. You understand? If you believe that someone has tampered with your glory or your destiny, believe me, when you use this simple assignment, that very night you may sleep and have a dream that you are in the cage and someone unlock the cage, you understand, and set you free by the grace of Almighty God. It's very simple and very, very effective. So when you buy this padlock, I told you if you want to buy the padlock, don't buy the one that is already open. I don't want you to know the person that lock it. just make sure that you buy padlock that is already locked. If someone else lock it or it has been locked from the factory, but make sure that the one that you want to buy is locked. If they give you the one that is already open, don't buy it because it's not going to work. Are you with me? So when you buy this padlock, when you take it home in the night before you sleep, you now take this padlock, you take it and you naked yourself, you remove your clothes, then you now use this padlock to rub every part of your body. You use it to rub every part of your body. Then after that, from your head to your toe, after that, you now keep this padlock under your pillow. Keep this padlock under your pillow and you sleep on it. And please, if you want to do this assignment after rubbing this padlock on your body, do not have anything with your wife or with your husband, or after the padlock, that time you now hold your phone, you are pressing your phone or you are playing game. Immediately you apply this method, you put it under your pillow. The next thing you are going to do is to sleep direct. Are you with me? So in the morning when you wake up, maybe around 5, 6, are you with me? You now put the keys, this key, you put it in this padlock, all the keys, you understand? You now take this padlock to, don't open it, please. You now take this padlock far away from your house. You drop it in a busy road. I think you are with me. You drop it in a busy road. So when someone take this padlock, when someone take it and open it, believe me, you will notice something that is coming out from your body, all the negative energy, all the bad thing that they have done to you. You will feel it that someone has opened the padlock. And one thing is that if you drop it on the road and no one pick it, you understand, it doesn't have any side effects. Or if someone pick it and open it and lock it back, it doesn't have any side effects. What we need is when you drop it on the road, someone take it and open it. That single open is okay. You understand? So that is why you need to go far away from your house and drop it. Are you with me? So, and by the grace of Almighty God, when someone take the padlock and open it, you will see how your life will change for good. You understand? Every closed door is going to open by the grace of Almighty God. So that is what I have for you guys today. If you don't understand, please feel free to call me or you message me on WhatsApp. It's 09053332747. So that is how to do it. Please, if you love this video, able to like this video. As you like my video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you for watching. Èyí tí mo bá sọ ní òní, òun náà ni bí a ṣe ń lo àgádágodo tuntun tí a máa fi mú ọwọ́kọ́wọ́ kúrò ní ara. Ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé àgádágodo kò sí àrà tí wọn kì í fi dá? Wọ́n lè fi àgádágodo, wọ́n lè fi ti mọ́tò tí ò ní ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́ láéláé. Wọ́n lè fi àgádágodo pa èèyàn. Ọlọ́mọjẹ ká rìnà kúrú àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀. Wọ́n lè fi àgádágodo kó ẹtì bá gbèsè ayé èèyàn téèyàn tó yẹ pé nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣe ò ní rí ṣe. Wọ́n lè ṣe àgádágodo kí wọ́n jù sínú odò. Wọ́n lè ṣe àgádágodo ẹni tó ń kọ́lé lọ́wọ́ kan lọ jù sínú ilé tó ń kọ́nu blọ́ọ̀kù tí ó dẹ̀ ní mọ̀ pé nǹkan kan ti ń ṣe òun. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. Ó yẹ pé ilé náà bó pẹ́ bóyá wọ́n á sọbẹ̀ di àkìtàn ni. Ẹni èèyàn kéèyàn ẹnikẹ́ni tó máa ń fi nǹkan burúkú sára àgádágodo nítorí wa, Ọlọ́run dákun bá wọn wí. Ṣé ẹ rí àgádágodo yìí tá bá ti rí tuntun ni ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ rà, èyí tí wọ́n ti ṣí. Tá bá ti rà á, èyí tó bá ti ṣí a gbọ́dọ̀ lò ó, ẹ dákun. Èyí tí wọ́n ti ṣí ni ẹ jẹ́ ká rà, á mú wálé. á bọ̀ra lẹ̀ ń wọ̀n ọmọlúwàbí á dà níyàn sára àgádágodo nǹkan tó bá wù wá ẹ jẹ́ ká fi pa gbogbo ara wa látòkè délẹ̀ tá bá ti ṣe yẹn tán ẹ mú àgádágodo yìí ẹ fi sábẹ́ pílò yín tẹ́ bá ti fẹ́ sùn ni o tó bá ti dára ọjọ́ kejì ẹ mú ẹ fi kíyèsí díẹ̀ ẹ lọ jù sí BBC road táwọn èèyàn ń gbà kọjá tán ti lè mú tọ́lọ́run bá ti jẹ́ kí wọ́n mú kí wọ́n ṣí àdúrà wa ti gbà nìyẹn wàláì á mọ̀ pé àdúrà wa ti gbà tá bá wá mú tí wọ́n ṣí kò sí bàjẹ́ kankan bẹ́ẹ̀ tàbí wọ́n mú wọ́n ṣí wọ́n tó ti padà kò sáburú kankan bẹ́ẹ̀ àbúrò ní sẹ́ni kọ̀ọ̀kan wa bí a ṣe ń lò nìyẹn mi náà lọ́mọ yín àbúrò yín lóòfẹ́ yín Dr. Mutiu Ọlátìbóyè Táyémàsì ǹjẹ́ ìdí tó bá dìgbà míì á tún mú ọ̀rọ̀ mi tó tún yàtọ̀ sílé yìí wá ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe sí ètò ilé kó fún wa ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àǹfààní lórí àwọn kan mi ta ṣe àtẹ̀yí tà ṣe torí pé ètí àti ṣe ó pọ̀ ju ètí àti ṣe lọ.
lọ́la kó bá yà kún ọlọ́run ọba ewé ń jẹ́ lọ́la kó bá yà kún ọlọ́run ọba ewé ń jẹ́ ewé ajẹ́ ewé ń jẹ́ àwọn lèmi dábọ̀ sóhun mi lòjọ́ dìgbọ́ ewé ń jẹ́ ewé. La ilaha illallah alawalu alakiru asọhiru abatinu ọlọ́run ọba ìwọ ló pamọ́ ìwọ ló fara jáde